Welcome to the CAD Office Training Guide series for FDOT Civil 3D. My name is Mike Rocca and I'm a CAD Application Support Specialist with the Florida Department of Transportation. Today we'll be going through the FDOT Civil 3D Drainage Training Guide. In this series of videos, I'll take you step by step through each exercise from the guide. Today we'll start with Chapter 12, Adjust Pipe Inverts and Pipe Slopes. Let's begin. In this chapter, you will adjust pipe inverts and pipe slopes and proposed drainage SR61 profile views. Civil 3D makes editing drainage networks easy because of the many ways you can edit, such as editing the same network in the plan view, profile view, and section views. The FDOT Civil 3D State Kit contains default command settings that allow the user to lay out and create drainage networks with FDOT standards already in place, including pipe rules which control slope, cover, and run. The structures containing rules that control sump, depth, and slope within structure. The user can add additional rules or edit the existing ones. In this chapter, you'll learn about understanding structures and pipe rules, editing pipe inverts and profile views. Run the Chapter 12.exe file and restore all files to the C Civil 3D Projects folder. Do not change the location in which the practice files are installed. Doing so can cause errors when completing the exercise in this training manual. Exercise 12.1. Adjust pipe inverts and slope of pipes connected to structures. In the next few steps, you will either adjust the pipe invert elevations at a structure or adjust the pipe's slope where necessary in each of the proposed drainage SR61 profile views. The next exercise will show you how to adjust pipe inverts and slopes of the upstream and downstream pipes connected to the structures displayed in the S1 proposed drainage SR61 profile view. Start the FDOT Civil 3D Kit and open up DRPRRD03 drawing located in the Chapter 12 dataset in the Drainage folder. Select the bottom viewport to make it the active viewport. From the Tool space on the Prospector tab, expand Alignments. Expand Miscellaneous Alignments. Right-click on S1 Proposed Drainage SR61 and choose Select. Right-click again and choose Zoom to. Then scroll forward so the Miscellaneous Alignment S1 Proposed Drainage SR61 fits in your drawing window. Press Escape to clear the grips. In the top viewport, select it to make it active. Then scroll over to find the SR61 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile. Zoom in closer to display the pipes connected to structure. Display the S1 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view. Do you see any outgoing pipes that may equal to or higher than the incoming pipes? Yes. So you need to make a list of the structures to investigate. Select structure S12. From the Pipe Networks Drainage SR61 tab on the Modify panel, select Structure Properties. From the Structure Properties S12 dialog box, select the Rules tab. The Structure S12 values are within the desired limits. Select the Connected Pipes tab. This tab displays the pipes connected to structure S12. Review the structure's connected pipes and their data to make a list of required adjustments. Review the Pipe 6 outgoing pipe invert value. Its current invert elevation of 23.12 for pipe 6, the outgoing pipe. Pipe 5 and pipe 6 have the same invert elevations. Pipe 5 must be 23.22 or greater to meet the node drop requirements of 0.1. Adjust the invert elevation for pipe 12 to 23.22. Pipe 5, I mean. Click Apply, then OK to close the Structure Property S12 dialog box. Edit Pipe 5 Pipe Properties. Zoom and pan to the Profile view to display structures S13 and S12. Hover over the pipe that is connected between the structure to display the tooltip listing the pipe as Pipe 5. Select Pipe 5. Then from the Pipe Network's Proposed Drawing tab on the Modify panel, select Pipe Properties. Select the pipe to view its properties. From the Pipe Properties Pipe 5 dialog box, select the Part Properties tab. Adjust the pipe slope or hold in value to 0.5%. By adjusting the pipe slope or the hold in value, you are modifying the elevation of the start invert. A positive slope value indicates the direction is uphill. Press Enter to complete the adjustment, then click Apply. The values for both hold in and hold start are recalculated and displayed. Click OK to close the Pipe Properties Pipe 5 dialog box. The Pipe 5 adjusted slope now displays. The S2 proposed drainage SR61 alignment intersects with the S1 proposed drainage SR61 alignment S1 at structure S13. You will review this in the next exercise. Save the DRP RRD03 drawing before continuing. Exercise 12.2. Adjust pipe inverts and slope of upstream, downstream pipes connected to structures. The next step will show you how to adjust pipe inverts and slopes of the upstream and downstream pipes connected to structures displayed in S2 Proposed Drainage SR61 Profile View. Select the bottom viewport to make the active viewport. From Toolspace on the Prospector tab, expand Alignments. Expand Miscellaneous Alignments. Right-click on the S2 Proposed Drainage SR61 and choose Select. Next, zoom and pan to display the S2 Proposed Drawing SR61 alignment. Press Escape to clear the grips. Click the top view to make the profile view active. Zoom in closer to the pipes connected to structure displayed the S2 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view. Do you see any outgoing pipes that may be equal to or higher than the incoming pipes? Yes, you need to make a list of structures to investigate. Hover over the pipe that is between structure S3 and S13. To display the tooltip listing the pipe as pipe 17. Pipe 17 needs to be lowered to meet the incoming pipe's requirements for structure S13 and the outgoing pipe's requirements for structure S3. After pipe 7 has been adjusted, investigate the structure's S3 properties. Adjust pipe 17. The next step will show you how to adjust pipe 17 by using grips to move pipe 17 to a lower location. Select pipe 17. With the selection cycling toggled on, a selection dialog box may display. In the selection dialog box, select pipe or structure profile. Next, select the middle square grip of pipe 17 to maintain the slope while moving the pipe vertically downwards. Zoom in closer as you grip edit to confirm placement at the upstream end of the pipe, just below the incoming pipe, structure S3, and above the outgoing pipe at structure S13. Or you can type in a value to tell the pipe how far down to move. So I'm going to undo a few times. I'm going to select the pipe once again, click on the grip, move my cursor down, and type in 20. And then press Escape to clear the grips. Exercise 12.3. Edit the structure properties. At this position, the upstream pipe of pipe 17 is below the incoming pipe of structure S3. The next step will show you how to edit the structure properties of structure S3 to see if the invert elevations meet our requirements. Select structure S3. From the Pipe Network's Proposed Drainage SR61 tab on the Modify panel, select Structures Property. From the Structures Property dialog box, select the Connected Pipes tab. This tab displays the pipes connected to the structure S3. Review the structure S3 connected pipe data and make a list of required adjustments. Review the pipe 17 outgoing pipe invert value and hold the invert elevation 26.23 for the outgoing pipe. There are two pipes designated as an outgoing pipe. Pipe 3 is not an outgoing pipe. You must change the flow direction of pipe 3 to correct this problem. All other incoming pipes have elevations greater than 0.1 above the outgoing pipe. No edits are required. Review the slopes for values that have odd values. No edits are required. Click Apply and OK to close the Structures Property dialog box. Exercise 12.4. Change flow direction for a pipe. The next steps will show you how to change the flow direction for a pipe connecting structures displayed in the S4 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view. Zoom and pan to display the S4 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view. Zoom in close to display structure S4 and S3. Hover over the pipe that is between structure S4 and S3 to display a tooltip listing the pipe as pipe 3. Select the viewport to make it the active viewport. From the tool space on the Prospector tab, expand alignments. Expand miscellaneous alignments. Right-click on S4 Proposed Drainage SR61 and choose Select. Zoom and pan to display the S4 Proposed Drainage SR61 alignment, then press Escape to clear the grips. Select the downstream pipe from structure S4. From the Pipe Network Proposed Drainage SR61 tab, on the Modify panel, select Pipe Properties button. From the Pipe Properties dialog box, select the Part Properties tab. The flow direction is not correct. Notice the start structure is S3 and the end structure is S4. The pipe flow direction method is start to end. Press Cancel to close the Pipe Properties dialog box. The flow direction is not correct. Notice the start structure is S3 and the end structure is S4. From the Pipe Properties Proposed Drainage SR61 tab, on the Modify panel, reveal the hidden command by clicking on the Modify drop-down list. Next, select the Change Flow Direction command. The command line displays the prompt. Select the intended upstream starting point and plan. Select structure S4. The command line displays the prompt. Select the intended downstream ending point and plan. Select structure S3. Next, press Enter. The command line history indicates the change of flow direction was successful. From the Pipes Network Proposed Drawing SR61 tab on the Modify panel, select Pipe Properties. From the Pipe Properties dialog box on the Part Properties tab, the flow direction is now correct. Notice the start structure is S3 and the end structure is S4, but the pipe flow direction method is now end to start. Press Apply, then OK to close the Pipe Properties dialog box. Exercise 12.5. Review structures in the S4 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view. The next step will show you how to review the S4 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view to verify flow direction and edit slope if necessary. Zoom and pan to display the S4 Proposed Drainage alignment. Select the top viewport to make it active. Zoom and pan to visually inspect the profile view and make a list of required edits. Do you see any adverse slopes? Yes, edits are required. Hover over the pipe that is between structure S4 and S3 to display the tooltip listing the pipe as pipe 3. You need to edit pipe 3's properties to correct the adverse slope. Left-click to select the downstream pipe from structure S4. On the Network Proposed Drainage SR61 tab, on the Modify panel, select Pipe Properties. From the Pipe Properties dialog box, select Part Properties. Adjust the pipe slope hold in value to 1%. By adjusting the pipe slope hold start value, you are modifying the elevation of the start invert. A positive slope value indicates the direction is uphill. Press Enter to complete the adjustment, then click Apply. The values for both hold in and hold start are recalculated and displayed. Click OK to close the Pipe Properties Pipe 3 dialog box. Review the structure in S4 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view. Do you see any downstream pipes that may be equal to or higher than the upstream pipe? No. Notice that the adjusted pipe 3 slope is now displayed in the S4 proposed drainage profile view. This completes the edits that are required for S4 profile view. Zoom and pan to display the S4 proposed drainage profile view. Then you can save your drawing. Exercise 12.6. Review upstream and downstream pipes and structures. The next step will show you to review upstream and downstream pipes and structures displayed in the S2 proposed drainage SR61 profile view. Select the bottom viewport to make it active. From the tool space on the Prospector tab, expand Alignments, Miscellaneous Alignments, and then right-click on S2 Proposed Drainage SR61 and choose Select. Zoom and pan to display the S2 Proposed Drainage alignment. Press Escape to clear the grips. Select the top viewport to make it the active viewport. Pan to display the S2 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view. Zoom in closer to display the pipes connected to the structures and review each. Do you see any adverse slopes in the S2 Proposed Drainage SR61 profile view? No, then no edits are required. Review what has been completed so far and build a list of actions that still need to be completed. S12 Proposed Drainage needs to be reviewed. S7 Proposed Drainage needs to be reviewed. S8 and S9 both profiles need to be reviewed and edited. Exercise 12.11. Change the viewport configuration to single and untwist view. Select the bottom viewport to make it the active viewport. From the View tab on the Models Viewports panel, under Viewport Configuration drop-down list, select Single. A single viewport now displays. Notice that it's still rotated as shown by the UCS icon displayed above. From the FDOT tab on the Tools panel, click on the Untwist View button. The viewport is rotated back to the correct rotation as shown by the UCS icon. Save and close the drp.rrd03.dwg file. This ends the lesson for Chapter 12.